This is iQOO 12, elegant outside, master inside. Its design achieves the perfect balance between elegance and technology. Yet a true performance king. Powered by Qualcomm's latest platform, it boasts 30% better CPU performance. Equipped with supercomputing chip Q1 that is born for gaming, it delivers sharper images and the visual spectacles you've seen in the gaming world. What's more, it offers you an exceptional gaming experience. The motor, speakers, and cooling architecture have all been significantly upgraded. By fine-tuning motion control and graphics, iQOO 12 just elevates mobile gaming to a new level. This time, the imaging system has also seen an epic upgrade, delivering more possibilities for your creation. The main camera brings out more premium colors, lights, and shadows. Simply hold it in your hand, and the starry sky will be yours to capture. The legendary triple camera system leads you beyond distance, space, and time to a world that is boundless. Elegant outside, master inside. iQOO 12, a next-generation smartphone.